Hello, welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. I got another simplify the expression problem we have here, brand new GED high set exam. If x equals a negative 2 and y equals 3, what is the value of the expression x squared plus a negative 2y, or minus 2y, both mean the exact same thing, divided by x plus 7? A, negative 10, B, 7, C, 8, or D, negative 9. All right, so here in step number 1, you want to substitute the value of negative 2 everywhere you see an x. Then you want to substitute the value of 3 everywhere you see y. Okay, so you can see here, you're going to substitute a negative 2 for the x value here, just like I did down below. Substitute a negative 2 for the x here, just like I'm showing you here below. Rewrite that negative 2, negative 2. Substitute the value of 3 for y. And don't forget to rewrite that plus or positive 7. All right, for step number 2, you're going to follow PEMDAS, the order of operations. All right, and working with the order of operations, we have parentheses first. So you want to try to simplify everything inside the parentheses. Second would be your exponents. Simplify the exponents second. Third, you want to multiply or divide. Now, I have a little asterisk here written in red. That is simply because if it's a tie, you have to multiply and divide in the same operation. Then the asterisk is telling you to move or simplify left to right. So if it's multiply before divide, then moving left to right, you'll multiply, then divide. Or if it's divide, then multiply, moving left to right, you simplify that way. And of course, fourth is add or subtract. Again, if it's a tie, add or subtract is the last few steps remaining in simplifying. You move from left to right, adding or subtracting in order from left to right. That's where you're going to stay, and you're going to continue. Oh, we got a little shaking happening here today. Oh, I'm so sorry for this shaking. Move left to right and simplify. All right, again, so after you simplify, substitute negative 2 and 3, you're going to follow the order of operations in order to simplify. So looking here, parentheses. Yes, we have parentheses, but there's nothing inside these parentheses to simplify. So we go on to the second order of operations. Are there any exponents we can simplify? Yes. So negative 2 raised to the second power, that's an exponent, simply means negative 2 times 2. And then everything else I rewrite. The negative 2, the 3 inside parentheses. Oh, by the way, negative 2 close to this parenthesis means to multiply negative 2 times 3. We'll handle that a little bit later. Rewrite your divisor bar or fraction bar, however you like to look at that. And then, of course, rewrite that negative 2. Do not forget to bring down that positive 7. A very common mistake students make is they worry about simplifying these terms and they don't bring down that positive 7. Hey, I'm going to stop here, keep these videos short. I'm going to pick it up in the next segment. Please watch part 2 in order to see step by step how you're going to answer this test question. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Hey, if you take it step by step. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe.